names, 3 numbers. Please come up, claim your prize. We're going to get ready to draw again in about 5 minutes, and we want to get this stuff going. The quicker you get up there, the quicker you get a better choice of what you want to get out of here, too, all right? All right, Chris is walking around. He's got that bright orange shirt. If you can't see that shirt, then you need to go back to Pep Boys and get a new driver's license, but you can't miss that shirt. He's walking around with the 50-50 drawing tickets. Of course, the tickets are $1 a piece. If you get a car length, you get 110 tickets in a car length, and that's 20 bucks. Pretty good deal. If you only want $10 worth, he'll give you 50 tickets, all right? So it works out either way. It's either 50 cents or 45 cents a piece. So stop and see Chris. He'll take care of you. He's walking around with the orange shirt on. He's got 2 paper bags in him, and he'll get you taken care of. If you have not turned in your vote, please get your votes in. They have to be in by 12 o'clock. So walk around, see what you like, see what everything's going on here, and we'll be doing that.
Johnny Walker.
At 12 o'clock on the voting, so please make sure you get those votes in. Please make sure you have all of your hoods open. Trunk tanks we're not worried about today. We had some rain, and if decides wants to do something again, we're not getting everything wet. So at least have your hoods open, and we'll get that checked out too. Once again, thank you for being here. Thank you for taking the time. Started out as a crummy day, and it turned out pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't put them on mine. The 970.
I need Bob Snyder. Bob Snyder, I need you up here in the portico area right now, please.
Cars, if you have, you'll have a bucket for every car.
That's the goal. Car for every bucket.
And a bucket for every car. No cross contamination. Cross contamination.
Side for the heavy stuff. So and the tools inside obviously are really good parts.
Yeah, I'm storing like engine boxes.
Yeah, little side shed.